Cormorant.
Yeah.
That probably messes a whole bunch of ornithologists up.
Talonflame? Oh my gosh. The bird universe.
Well, that's
in
I don't know any
Pokemon.
bird that's named Talonflame or close to that.
No, I know. Cramorant is much different than Cormorant.
Yeah.
The real name.
I don't really have like a fastest order for the inside. I feel like I'm really slow on that. Oh, that's good. Come on, Squirtle. Yeah. No, I'm the one messing around.
Oh.
Okay, we have 19 seconds till things are in the north and south.
That's
So like 7 minutes is like our first little thing we actually should really check in on.
yeah, nice.
Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't like where I'm at.
Close.
Okay, that was a okay. We just learned something, I think.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this one.
I'm out. What's south look like?
That's pretty okay.
Did you
We
get
just
the thingy?
got, yeah, we did.
Nice. So we got north and south thingies.
Yeah.
It's wonderful.
Yeah. South looks rough though. You're too far though. I think we'll be alright. Just checking on your status since you're so close. It's nice.
status is just grand.
Oh, we did overthrown.
I don't think I got the whole pull into enemies thing, but...
Oh boy. Oh. Oh.
Oh, there's the fella in the north.
At probably 5 minutes is when it came in. So 7, 5,
Okay,
2.
7-5.
But this one just came in at 4:23 or something. So maybe it just has to do with...
Oh, like a couple, however many minutes after it was first defeated.
Yeah.
Interesting. So you can
Right?
kind of like keep it rolling if you can. And you can like stagger it. Hmm. Mm-hmm. You're not getting away from my discharge.
You're 13. You're doing awesome. I feel special, but you're doing great.
Did we get the guy in the south?
Yes, sir, maybe.
Did we get him or did he disappear? What happened?
Mm.
They all disappear at 3 minutes? What's going on here? Nope, there's a 30-second. Okay, so get the guy in the north right now.
But we only have like 15 seconds.
I know.
To do
If we
it.
get him, we gotta get him fast. Once he comes.
Is it worth?
Yeah. I think so.
No. Too bad, guys.
Oh, well, they're kind of like... Oh, he had nothing on me.
Good.
4, 3, let's go. Let's north. Let's just do it.
Okay.
Because
Wow.
that was good, right?
Yeah, I think so. That might be like a really good distractor. You go with it? You want me to go?
It can defend itself for a while, right? I think it's got it. I got enough points, and I'm going to go score here. Get a little double points here.
Okay. There's 3 bad guys. They're all in by his applicants.
I'm coming as fast as I can.
Yes.
Did we get it?
Thanks.
Oh my
Yep.
gosh, crushing.
Yeah.
They're gonna surrender.
Yeah.
No, I wouldn't blame them. But I score first. Oh, you score too. You score.
Yeah.
Yeah, angel face.
Yeah.
Oh, and I get my discharge pull in.
Oh.
I think I got it. I think that was it.
Shit.
Hopefully. Are you running around?
Yeah.
5, 4,
To both of us.
2, 1.
Mm.
Time's up.
He's a little bit of a learning curve.
Any like fast character, any speedsters. Just gotta know what you're
Hey,
doing.
you crushed too. 11 assists. Nice.
Yeah,